So, yeah, I reacquired a old snare. I say reacquired because it's literally been in a loft of a garage for 6 years, and it's a damn decent snare. So I reacquired it from the old parents' loft, and I'm basically gonna completely refurb it, tidy it up, and use it as my second snare. It's a Tama limited edition oak snare with a cherry wood, in this case very damaged rims. It's actually a 3-ply shell, and it's a 14 by 5.5 snare. The reason I change the snare is I use a pearl brass hammered snare, so I tend to do a hell of a lot of rim shots, hence the damage to the rims. Look at the old head. So basically I'm gonna, I don't know, I might, the hoops aren't broken, they're just badly damaged on the sides, so I don't really want to avoid it. I'd rather have that left, depending how bad it is. So new lug nuts. The main shell is in really good nick, so that shouldn't need too much work. So I need to get a new strainer. And these have got like, oh, notice this has got damage just there. Wait a minute, nasty gash there. Apart from that, it's not that bad. Another hoop. That is rubbish. So we'll leave that at end of part 1.